Guys, a bit of exciting news for you. We've looked at the parents of these angelfish a little bit harder, and Amanda's realised that the mother is actually a red devil marble. Can you believe that? And we're not 100% sure, but we Google searched it and that's what it come up, and a couple of them did look like the mother. So these guys might be purebred red devils, which a red devil is a mixture to get the red, but someone's bred them out to purposely breed. So she's laid some eggs in here. Okay, I've got another footage anyway. The leaves come up just a tad bit, so let's keep an eye on that.
No, that one was already at the top. It's just next to the bottom.
Do we need to pin it with a bit of weight, or?
No,
Burger boys here, keep an eye out.
They're right next to the
anyway,
air stove.
Guys, if you know anything about red devils, leave a comment below, but apparently the mother is a red devil according to Google search.
Yeah, marbled. What's it called? Marbled red
devil
or something. Marbled red.
Yeah, it's associated with the red angelfish, so we might get lucky. We went to the pet store today and they did have more red devils in. They wanted about 140 each for them. And yeah, they had the red in them, so I'll put some of that footage up in a minute.
Yeah.
Anything else to say, Amanda?
Just doing my daily water change.
We just come back from a walk.
Yep.
So daily water change, and then we have to look after the adults. This little guy's nearly his bedtime. Look at him.
Yeah.
He's doing his little beak thing.
Yeah.
He stopped doing it now. He does this little chew thing with his beak. There we go. And that means he's trying to get comfortable. Anyway, there we go, guys. So quick update. So it might be exciting. We might actually get really red ones, but we'll wait and see.
Yeah. Well, the mum and dad are pretty angelfish anyway, so.
Yeah. But yeah, so we've got another leaf in there. That was successful today. That was done this morning. Can't see because of the netting. But we did that last time. We put it in the new breeding box and we left it in the big tank, and they all went white straight away. I don't know if it's the aluminium that was used. I don't know if it's a steel or aluminium they use as the netting in that box.
Maybe.
But they're good for cories, but they're no good for angelfish, or unless it was just a coincidence. But these eggs, no problems at all. Straight into the little tank. We went back to what we knew best.
Regulars. They were they're pretty much regulars, and I reckon they'll start swimming maybe tomorrow.
Okay, so what do we? What do you think we did wrong with the last week?
I don't know. I honestly
maybe they just weren't ready. Nature. Maybe they just didn't do it properly.
Something wrong. These ones, she actually had them on another leaf, and she moved these ones to these ones.
Yeah.
So they were originally on a Java leaf, and then overnight she moved them to another. Yeah. Well, they were both moved.
And I just said we've got to move them out or they're gone. So they're toast. We left a lot about 4 weeks ago, and they just got eaten and disappeared. Yeah. So even though it's sad, you got to do it. Alright, we'll let Amanda go back to a water change, and listen to put the bird to sleep as well.
Yeah. Everything happens at night.
Everything happens. Everything's happening. And then you still got to find time for yourself and your hobby. So these guys are just a quick update for you guys.
Yeah. They're just beautiful.
Alright, so like I said, the mother looks like it's a marble red devil. We'll look a little bit more into that.
But yeah.
You know, Google search can bring up anything sometimes too. It's not always perfect.
It's not always accurate. No,
yeah, but it looked very similar to the ones that come up.
Like that come up. So
it might have meant to be.
Yeah.
You might get a bit more red in these ones than what we thought.
I think the first one's beautiful.
They're very good shape and everything.
Yeah.
They'd be strong buggers because they're the survival rate, and people could say, well, you did this and that wrong, but give it a go yourself and you'll find out it's not that easy. Alright guys, like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.
Thanks.